5632. When computing weight and balance, the basic empty weight includes the weight of the airframe, engines, and all installed optional equipment. Basic empty weight also includes A. The unusable fuel, full operating fluids, and full oil. B. All usable fuel, full oil, hydraulic fluid, but does not include the weight of pilot, passengers, or baggage. C. All usable fuel and oil, but does not include any radio equipment or instruments that were installed by someone other than the manufacturer. The correct answer is A. The basic empty weight of an aircraft includes the weight of the airframe, engines, and all installed optional equipment. Additionally, it includes the weight of unusable fuel, fuel that cannot be consumed by the engine, full operating fluids, such as hydraulic fluid, and full oil. 5633. If all index units are positive when computing weight and balance, the location of the datum would be at the A. Center line of the main wheels. B. Nose or out in front of the airplane. C. Center line of the nose or tail wheel, depending on the type of airplane. The correct answer is B. In general, an aircraft location's arm, index unit, is measured in inches behind the datum. A positive arm indicates that the item is located behind the datum. If every index unit is positive, then the datum must be at least at the aircraft's nose. 5634. The CG of an aircraft can be determined by which of the following methods? A. Dividing total arms by total moments. B. Multiplying total arms by total weight. C. Dividing total moments by total weight. The correct answer is C. The center of gravity, CG, of an aircraft is the point around which the aircraft's weight is evenly distributed. It is important to know the CG of an aircraft because it affects the aircraft's stability and handling characteristics. The CG can be determined by dividing the total moments by the total weight. The total moments are the sum of the moments of all the forces acting on the aircraft. The total weight is the weight of the aircraft. Here is the formula for calculating the CG. CG equals total moments / total weight. 5636. Given weight A, 155 pounds at 45 inches aft of datum, weight B, 165 pounds at 145 inches aft of datum, weight C, 95 pounds at 185 inches aft of datum. Based on this information, where would the CG located aft of datum? A. 86.0 inches. B. 116.8 inches. C. 125.0 inches. The correct answer is B. To calculate the center of gravity, CG, we need to add up the moments of each weight and divide by the total weight. The moment of a weight is calculated by multiplying the weight by its distance from the datum. In this problem, we have three weights. Weight A, 155 pounds at 45 inches aft of datum, weight B, 165 pounds at 145 inches aft of datum, weight C, 95 pounds at 185 inches aft of datum. The total moment is calculated as follows. Total moment equals 155 pounds multiply 45 inches plus 165 pounds multiply 145 inches plus 95 pounds multiply 185 inches equals 28,675 pounds. Inches. Use code with caution. Learn more. The total weight is calculated as follows. Total weight equals 155 pounds plus 165 pounds plus 95 pounds equals 415 pounds. Use code with caution. Learn more. The CG is calculated as follows. CG equals total moment / total weight equals 28,675 pounds. Inches / 415 pounds equals 116.8 inches. Therefore, the CG is located 116.8 inches aft of the datum. 5637. Given weight A, 140 pounds at 17 inches aft of datum, weight B, 120 pounds at 110 inches aft of datum, weight C, 85 pounds at 210 inches aft of datum. Based on this information, the the CG would be located how far aft of datum? A. 89.11 inches. B. 96.89 inches. C. 106.92 inches. The correct answer is B. Total moment equals 140 pounds multiply 17 inches plus 120 pounds multiply 110 inches plus 85 pounds multiply 210 inches equals 39,820 pounds inches. Total weight equals 140 pounds plus 120 pounds plus 85 pounds equals 345 pounds. CG equals total moment slash total weight equals 39,820 pounds inches slash 345 pounds equals 96.89 inches. Therefore, the CG is located 96.89 inches aft of the datum.